We're now going to move on to lists in HTML. There are three types of lists. They can be grouped as unordered lists, ordered lists, or definition lists. The ordered list, for example, would have a number before each list item. So you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. being displayed before every item in your list. The unordered lists will have normally some sort of symbol before each list item, so perhaps a bullet point. The definition lists aren't used very often, but they do lay out your text that would be suitable for something like a glossary. Let's have a look at the unordered and ordered list first of all. We'll just place it below our Blackadder image. To include an unordered list, we use UL. That starts our unordered list, and at the end of our unordered list we close it again. For every single list item we use the LI element. So we open and close each one in turn. And if we save it and refresh the page, there we go. We can see here we've got those three list items and each one has a bullet point. Underneath that we're now going to define an ordered list. And it's a very similar structure, but instead of UL we use OL. However, within the list we still use LI for each list item. There we go. So we've got three items there within our ordered list. And there we go, 1, 2, 3. So using these tags, the browser automatically generates either a symbol for our unordered list or 1, 2, 3 for our ordered list. The third type of list is the definition list, and for this we need to use slightly different syntax. To open up our definition list we use DL, and obviously to close it we use the normal syntax. And a definition list has two parts to it. It has the actual term and also then the description of that term. So imagine that you're writing a glossary. Maybe we have for football, and underneath that we can then include the description of that term. So let's make one up. Again, play with a spherical ball by sides with 11 players. There we go. Okay, and let's then do tennis as well. There we go. Okay, they're not very inspiring descriptions, but hopefully you get the idea. So we'll save that and let's have a look at how they get displayed. There we go. So each definition term is left aligned, and then on a new line but indented, each description is then placed underneath it.